Hey man, what's happening, man? Welcome back to the channel, man. Hey, y'all already know what time it is, man. Time for us to go and get it. I've been out here building a chicken coop. Sorry I ain't bring y'all along with it, but shoot, y'all see, man. I ain't really got much done. Got my little boy down here now. You know what I'm saying? He ready. You know what I'm saying? So, hey, we about to get started, you know what I'm saying? Dabbling, you feel me? Out here on this homestead. Yeah, dude. So, let's get it. Hey, I'm gonna just play some music, man. I'm gonna just speed it up. I'm just feeling what I'm doing. You know what I'm saying? It's just a regular old pallet chicken coop, you feel me? What that? You got pockets? Oh, yeah. Throw up Thizzle. He got pockets, you feel what I'm saying? I got pockets, you feel me? Big enough so we can go in there with them, talk to them, read them a book or something.
He lying now, but I ain't about to be doing all this. He lying now.
Get them ready. Y'all ever seen them Chinese folk? They bathing the chicken. I'm talking about getting them a spa. Then the video clip, they eat it. I'm like, yeah, so. Your boy got accurate measurements, you feel me? Got the boards on the Thizzle. Oh yeah, so we got that in, man. I'm about to see if I'm gonna put one on the side and on that side, give it extra stability.
Stop it. Get some help.
I'm trying to have like 25 birds in there. You hear what I'm saying? I'm gonna give y'all the walk through, you know what I'm saying? Building the mansion for the chicken. And I'm planning on having 25 birds in there, like literally. You know what I'm saying? Fried chicken for everybody. But I'm gonna build the boxes on top of the boxes. You feel me? It really him, you feel me? But we'll be back.
Okay guys, this is what we got so far.
Yes sir. Hey, my bad for you feel what I'm saying? It's on me.
We gotta put another we gotta put a brace on this back wall back here. And then we got our little, your daddy said that's gonna be for the nesting box, yeah, or ladder one. For the
two right here.
We ain't finished with it because we gotta put another flat machine down for the day. This is gonna be the door where you go in there right here. That's a little funny to that. And some boards.
Yeah. You got the idea, you get the idea. Y'all gonna see it in the rear.
Yep, it's coming along, guys.
Now, bud, what we doing? We got some panels off. We about to got going hang one.
They going down?
Yeah.
Okay. Tell me what you're doing, taking the nails out.
Take the nails out.
Okay, come on, get your oven.
Pay it up right here. And then I can have it out. And then it out.
Alright.
Then I got that over.
Don't step on it.
Some people ate spiders.
You got
Oh! I don't need to do that one.
hit it down, sir.
Can you keep quiet? No! I got it. I'm trying to get it.
He said he got this.
I said I got this. Didn't move. No, this one's fine. Mama, can you help me?
Go hit it down, baby. Go hit it down. Hit that one down that you're working on right there in front of
Can
you.
you walk down to get out? You get out. Why? I don't play
Stuff in the chicken, in the door, yeah, the chicken door. Go back through.
we 90% finished. Roof on. In here. You know what I'm saying? Put a little edge on it, you know. See that right there? Floor looking nice. I don't know what I'm gonna do with the door. That's the chicken door right there. So I don't know what we're gonna do with it. We got the sides. We got the sides on. So y'all just bear with me. We're gonna get it done. We don't did it, man. Hey, I am not a freaking carpenter. I'm gonna tell you. She is though. No, y'all don't laugh at the work though. You know. Man, we got the chicken coop done, man. Don't did the roof, man, but don't got the chicken coop, man. This is recycled wood, man. You feel what I'm saying? Why spend money when you got it on the property? Y'all walking around, you got the seal, top to bottom, you feel what I'm saying? Now I gotta put the gate up around there for them. You got the door on them. Luxury. You feel me? Check this out though. And I already done built a box for them right there. You feel me? Chicken 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, we try to seal it up, y'all. Y'all see the evidence. We got snow cones around now. You feel what I'm saying? Got that little door going in right there. We got the fiberglass one right there. She the phone. She do her thing. You feel me? So that's how we gonna do it, man. We just trying to get these chickens in here, man. So why not get your own birds, get your own goats and lamb? You feel what I'm saying? That's what I'm doing. That's what we own. You feel what I'm saying? Yes, right here for them for real. Y'all thank y'all for checking out the video. Hey, when we get them chickens, hey, it's gonna be another. You dig? Stop playing.
Fake. My smile so big, no toothache. My belly so big.